Hey, this is Doug from TheShotski.com, your one-stop shop for all your Shotski needs. And today we're going to be making our top 3 St. Patrick's Day shots. We're going to start off simple with a Lucky Leprechaun shot, which is basically a 50-50 blend of some Jameson, Irish whiskey, and sour apple schnapps. So let's start. I always like to chill my shots, so I put a little ice in the shaker here. I'm gonna eyeball this. Give it a good shake. Let's give it a try. Smells good. Shot number 2 is a Melon bomb, which is 1/3 Midori, 1/3 Malibu rum, and then another third pineapple juice. It's a little bit of a lighter shot, easier to drink, but delicious. I'm actually going to measure with a shot glass. Already smells good. Bright green. And our final shot is the Shamrock Shooter, which is Midori, 2 parts of Midori. So we'll do 2 shots of that. 1, 2. Then a half part of Jameson Irish whiskey. So we'll do a half shot of that. A little more. It's always good to go a little more. And then a half shot of Irish cream or Bailey's. Perfect. We'll give that a shake. See what we got here. Looks good. Now it's time to try them. Let's do a Shotski. First up is the Shamrock Shooter. That's Midori, Jameson, and Bailey's. Since I'm all by myself, I guess I'm going to be doing Shotskis one at a time here. 1, 2, 3, Shotski. That is really good. That is super smooth, little sweet, but delicious for sure. Next up is the Melon bomb. This one is Midori, Malibu, and some pineapple juice. This one has got the least amount of alcohol, but should probably taste the sweetest. Let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, Shotski. Oh wow, very melony, super easy to drink. That coconut finish on the Malibu is actually really good. It goes well. Super sweet though. Last but not least is the Lucky Leprechaun that has Jameson and the sour apple schnapps. So let's give that a shot. This should be the most powerful of all 3. 1, 2, 3, Shotski. Woo! Yeah, definitely taste the whiskey in that one, but the sour apple cuts it really good. So it's a lot easier to take than just a straight Jameson shot. Got to work your way up to those. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you try these recipes, how you like them, how they turned out, and link in the description for all of the recipes below. Thanks again.